We will discuss about direction sense test today. Now, what are we going to learn? Major directions and cardinal directions, degrees, and what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Most of us already know four major directions. On the upper side it is north, on the lower side south, right hand side east, and here west. So these are four major directions: north, south, east and west. If we draw two diagonal lines from between, we will get northeast, north, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So these are 8 directions which we need to remember in order to solve the questions of this chapter, which are north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Now we will learn what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. When we see a clock, the seconds hand or hour hand or any hand of the clock moves from left direction to right direction, from here to here. So this is known as clockwise, the way in which our clock hands move, or the way in which our fan moves, our ceiling fan. So this is known as clockwise. The reverse or opposite of this is known as anti-clockwise. When we move from right to left, from this direction to this direction, this is known as anti-clockwise. If we move from left to right, it is known as clockwise, and if we move from right to left, it is known as anti-clockwise. In reverse direction is anti-clockwise. So now degree. There are various ways to learn about this. There are 3 ways. First way, we know the degree of total circle, full circle is 360 degree. A full circle is of 360 degree. A semicircle is of 180 degree, that is 360 divided by half, divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Or right angle triangle or right angle, the degree of right angle is 90 degree. So this is one way to remember, and the half of 90 is 45 degrees. Other way we can remember is, a whole circle is 360, we already know. Half is 180, right angle is 90, and half of right angle is 45. So in this way we already know that this angle is 45 degrees. Now this will also be from northeast to east, will be also 45 degrees. All the angles of the direction will be of 45 degrees. Obviously the total of this will be 360. Now what we can do is, from north to northeast is 45 degree. Now if we move from northeast to east, again 45. Now we want to go from north to east, so this will be 90 degree. either we can say right angle is 90 degree as per right angle, or we can add 45 plus 45 which is equal to 90 degrees. Now again, if we want to go from north to southeast, then 45 plus 45 plus 45, 3 times 45, which will be 135 degree. Then 45 plus 45 plus 45, 180, or half circle. 4 times 45. If you want to go from north to south, it will be 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45, or else as we know till here it is 135, again we will add 45, it will become 180. Now this angle will be 180 plus 45, 225 degree. 225 plus 45, 270 degree. From here to here it will be 270 degrees. Now from here to here, 270 plus 45, 315 degree. Full circle will be of 360 degrees. Or else we can directly ratify 45, 90, from this to this, 135, then 180, then 225, 270, 315 and 360. So there are 3 ways in order to learn degree or find out the degree of the sum. Now we will move towards first question. A man is facing west. He turns 45 degree in clockwise direction and then another 180 degree in the same direction, and then 270 in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? So first we will draw directions. This is the easiest way to do. North, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Now the man is facing west. So we will start from which direction? West direction. He is starting from west direction. Then he turns 45 degree in clockwise. Clockwise means in the way the clock moves. So 45 degree. We all know one angle is of 45 degree. So we will go from here to here, 45 degree. Now then another 180 degree in the same direction. Then he moves from here in the same direction, in clockwise direction, for 180 degree. So from here to here, we know semicircle is of 180, 45, 90, 135 and 180. So we will go from here to here 180 degree. This is 180 degree. Now then 270 degree, he moves to 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. From here he goes in anti-clockwise. Now he is going in normal direction. Now he will go in reverse. Anti-clockwise is reverse. For how much? 270. So 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, or we can solve like this. We all know semicircle is 180. So first we will reach 180, and then how much is remaining? 270 minus 180, 90 degree more. So in order to go to 270 degree, first he will reach 180, then another 90. So he will reach here. Which direction is he facing now? This is 270 degree. Which direction is he facing now? Where he reached? In southwest direction. So answer is south.